There are a ton of IKEA Tarva dresser hacks on the internet. They range from simple paint and addition of new knobs to total transformations. I have put together some of my favorite IKEA Tarva dresser hacks. I think these are amazing. Some of them are even absolutely genius. 1. Kids Colorful IKEA Tarva Makeover. This is a simple transformation with white paint and a few colorful stripes for lots of fun and whimsy, perfect for any kid's room. 2. Fabric Paneled IKEA Tarva Dresser. This IKEA Tarva dresser got burlap panel drawers and molding to create a completely unique look. The drawers were painted silver and shine through the burlap, giving this dresser a unique dimensionality. 3. IKEA Tarva Changing Table Hack. Create a fun changing table with lots of storage with this pretty green hack from Interior Frugalista. 4. IKEA Tarva Bar Cabinet. This awesome bar cabinet used to be an IKEA Tarva dresser until Addicted to DIY made it over. Can you believe it? 5. Nautical IKEA Tarva. Sometimes all you need is getting a little imaginative with the drawer pulls and knobs. This nautical IKEA Tarva hack from the Happy Housey is just amazing. All she used were dock cleats and some rope. 6. Stained IKEA Tarva Dresser. Cherished Bliss shows you a simple yet powerful transformation. Stain in new poles, and you have a totally transformed dresser. 7. Stain and Paint IKEA Tarva Hack. Not just stain. Pair it with your favorite accent color and some new poles to get a one-of-a-kind dresser like this one from Persia Lou. 8. Faux Painted Linen IKEA Tarva Hack. If you just want to paint it, why not give it a faux linen texture? The Happy Housey shows you how. 9. A Pretty IKEA Hack DIY. I love this simple change to the legs by Sarah Sherman Samuel. How amazing are the color and handles? 10. IKEA Tarva Hack with New Feet. Give the IKEA Tarva a moody vibe and new feet with this gorgeous IKEA Tarva hack by Aaron Spain. 11. Metallic Honeycomb Tarva Dresser. Simply Designing added the amazing honeycomb drawer fronts and metallic gold paint to take this dresser from plain to glam. 12. IKEA Tarva Drink Bar. Rain on a tin roof creates this cool drink bar. How amazing are the paint effect and hardware? You must try this one. 13. Coral Book Storage Dresser. This Tarva got a total transformation by Thistlewood Farms with new paint, washer, and a special edition for book storage. I love this hacks. How about you? 14. IKEA Tarva Dresser to Rolling Writing Desk. This rolling writing desk by In My Own Style was once an IKEA dresser. This is one of my favorite hacks ever. 15. IKEA Tarva Faux Apothecary Media Cabinet. You can also add faux details to the drawers and create an awesome faux apothecary media cabinet.